Good morning. My name is Teacher Paul and welcome to Mathematics for Primary 3. Today we're going to look at some numbers and have a look at our textbook. To start with, our first section is on page number 2. Our book is, and the unit that we're going to be doing is numbers up to 100,000. Oh no, there's a lot of zeros with 100,000. How many zeros do you think make up 100,000? Put up your hand if you like to answer. Nong Boss. Okay, Nong Boss wants to answer. How many zeros make up 100,000? Nong Boss?
100,000.
Yes, how many zeros?
How many zeros?
How many zones?
5.
Zero. 5. So we have 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So we have 1 and 5 zeros. Now, we're going to take it back and look at some numbers. On pages 2 and 3, we're going shopping and we're going to an electrical store and we're going to buy some different things. So I want you to raise your hand. I'll tell you something and you have to tell me how much it costs. I will give you an example. The refrigerator costs $23,100. Oh, sorry, it's got baht. Okay, very cheap refrigerator, 23,100 baht. So it's very cheap. So our first thing, so you can put up your hand if you know the answer. How much is the TV? How much is the TV? Put up your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Hanun, how much? Can you press the button on your computer to raise your hand? Then I can open your microphone.
11,000 and 900. ก็นั่นน่ะก็ผมมาพูดไม่ได้ไง
Okay. I don't write Thai, so unfortunately, I can't write your names. But Kahun, Kanun. Okay, Mr. Okay. Tongkun, how much is the television? The television is 11,940 baht. So 11,940 is getting to be a very big number. What about the tablet? How much is the tablet? How much is the tablet? How much is the tablet? Here's our tablet. Okay, so how much is the tablet? Okay, R2D2. Okay, you're very good. 8,000. Very good. It's 8,000 baht for the tablet. Tick, D mark. Very good. So, okay, our next one. What about, okay, we put a circle on here, a little lump on the top. How much is the camera? How much is the camera? Okay, very good for drawing on, very good. You're making it very hard for people to see if you're going to draw all over the screen. So how much is the camera? Okay, I'll just turn it off. How much is the camera? Young boss? How much is the camera?
13,000.
Good boy, Nong boss. Now, okay, what about how much is the projector? Projector. Nong Yani. How much is the projector? Yani, are you still with me? The projector is right down the bottom of the picture. How much is it, Yani? Okay, you need to turn your microphone on so you can talk to me, Yani. 17,000 baht. A lot for
17,000.
17,000. Very good. Very good, Nong boss. So, okay, our next one, Sokun. How much for the amplifier? Amplifier is the black box up next to the refrigerator. Nong Sokun.
ดันไปกดที่ทำให้เรา
Okay.
พูดไม่ได้กับ
Okay.
แม่
Okay, Nong
ดันไป
Sokin.
กด
How much is the amplifier which is on top of the washing machine? How much is it, Sokun?
ทุกคนอะไรอ่ะ
Sokun. How much is the amplifier?
Apple Fire อะไร
It's on top of the washing machine next to the refrigerator.
ไม่ใช่อะไรเราไม่ได้ฟัง
Sokun, can you find it? Will you tell me how much the computer is, Sokun?
คอมพิวเตอร์
Computer, how much is the
คอมพิวเตอ
computer?
ร์คอมพิวเตอร์อยู่ไหนตอบเป็นภาษาอังกฤษ
How much is
6,200
Good boy, Sokun. Dima.
เกือบไม่ได้เราไม่ได้ฟัง
Okay. Nong Mina. How much is the smart TV? Nong Mina. Nong Mina. How much is the smart TV? It's under the number 1.
แพงอ่ะ
How much is it?
มาสิ
Okay, it's right up in the top left-hand corner of the picture, under the number 1. It's 12,000. Nong Mina.
1,000 ใช่ไหม1,000
I will tell you I will tell you.
มันเท่าไหร่แล้วลูก
You tell me the numbers.
11,000
Okay, 12,000. 6, 8, 8. So it's 12,688 baht.
อันนี้สมาร์ท
That's
ทีวี
very cheap for a smart television.
ที่หันสมาร์ททีวีเดี๋ยวนี้
Yeah. Nipol. Long Nipol. Okay, we'll go back to the tablet. Nipol. How much is the tablet, Nipol?
แท็บเล็ต
Tablet.
เท่าไหร่
เอก 8,000.
8,000. Very good, Napong. Shanason.
มันดีเลยก็เลย
Shanason.
ไอ้ติดทำแล้ว
What did
กดวางไว้
Dad?
ก่อนนี่
What did Dad and the boy buy? What did he buy? The boy's got something in his hands. What did he buy? A camera. And how much was the camera?
camera
How much is a camera?
1300
1,300. Have a try again. Good try, but not 1,300. Because if you say 1,300, we have 1, 3, zone. 1300. But this number has got 1, 3, and 3 zeros. So have another guess. So the boy's got a camera. How much did Dad pay for the camera? Nong Leo. So the boy's got the camera. Nong Leo, how much did Dad pay for the camera? Leo, camera.
13000.
Okay, we have 13000. Yes, okay, 13000. But what's 13000? You tell me the number.
1300
Leo, 1, 3. What is number? When we're counting from 10 to 20, we have 10, 11, 12,
30,000.
13,000. D mark, Leo. Very good. Now, Nong Poo. Room number 2, Pew. Teacher Paul wants to buy a new computer. Nong Pew, how much does Teacher Paul have to pay for the new computer? Nong Pew? Nong Pew, are you still with me? Okay, if you're still with me, Nong Pew, put your hand up again and I'll call you again in a moment. Archie, Nong Archie. Aki. Nong Aki. How much did Teacher Paul pay for the new computer?
Computer.
Aki, how much did Teacher Paul pay for the computer?
8,000.
6,000. We have 6200. But 6200 is not how we say it. How do we say it? 6,200. Very good. Big mark. 6,200. Okay. So let's we'll now move on and look at.
ไม่ใช่คนที่ชื่อถามวันนั้นเขา
Okay.
ได้ยินทุกคนตอบกัน
Teacher Paul's getting very hungry, and Teacher Paul needs a new refrigerator. Gurupat, Teacher Paul needs a new refrigerator. How much does Teacher Paul have to pay for the new refrigerator? Non-Gurupat? Okay, non-Puropat, if you're still with me, I've lost. Network's gone down. Okay. Just one moment, waiting for the network to come back up again. Nong Mina, are you still with me? Nong Mina, hello? Network drop. Network lost. Yeah.
Unstable.
No, network.
No network.
Network drop. This morning you've been coming and going, coming and going. So I'll see whether I can talk to the students again. Nong Yani, are you still with me?
มันกลับ
Up.
มาสอง
Okay. Nong Pew, are you back with me? Okay. It's okay now. But I said it's been coming and going, dropping out all morning. Okay. So let's have a look at
สองขีดยัง
what we have to study today. So now we're going to look at page number 4. Page number 4 is numbers up to 1,000. So how many zeros are in 1,000? 3 zeros. Okay. So my question on the screen, how many 100s make up
ออกมาขีดเดียว
1,000?
อีกแล้วเนี่ย
So it's 100 times how many?
นี่
10? 100 times 10. 100 times 10 is 1,000. Now, in your notebook, I want you to draw a picture. You can draw a box. You can draw a box and divide it into 10. Divide it into 10. Or if you have a look at the picture on the top of page number 4, we have jars with beans in it. Beans, jelly beans, kidney beans, black beans, store, alagada. Up to you what you want to put in there. And we're going to be counting by 100s to make up 1,000. We start with 100. Plus 100. 100 plus 100, what does that equal? 100, Leo? 100 plus 100 equals? 200, okay. Then we go 200 plus 100. 200 plus 100 equals? 200 plus 100 equals?
เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึง
300, okay, just bringing it back up. Okay, we lost it again, okay. Yeah. Equals 300. And then we go 300 plus 100 equals 300 plus 100 equals 3 plus 1 equals 400. 400 plus 100 equals 500.
พี่เชอร์ถามมันไหม
500 plus 100
มันจะเกี่ยว
equals
กับการบวกครับแม่พูด
600. 600 plus 100
400
plus 100 equals
600 บวก
6 plus 1 equals 700. 700 plus 100
ลูกก็เข้าใจแล้วแต่เหมือนกันเพ
equals
ราะว่าเน็ตนะ
7 plus 1 equals 800. Good boy, Leo. You're
คือ
with
มัน
me.
เกี่ยวกับการบวก
800 plus 100
Yeah.
equals 900. And 900 plus 100 equals 1000. So 100, we have 3 zeros. Sorry, 2 zeros. 1000, we have 3 zeros.
30หมายถึงว่า1000เนี่ยก็คือ30คือมีเลข0 3 ตัวนี่เชื่อบอก
So it's the same as counting up. Okay. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just adding like our numbers 1 to 10. If we had 00 behind to make 100, or we had 000, 3 zeros behind to make make 1000. Now our next one. When we count by hundreds, tens, and ones, we can make a little chart and record the details. So let's try the number 342. So how many hundreds do we have in 342? So how many hundreds?
342
How many hundreds? Nongkin? How many hundreds? How many hundreds in 342? How many hundreds?
342 400
400? No, we don't have 400.
342
Okay.
What do you mean?
So what number do we write under hundreds? What number is hundreds?
ตัดสินใจมากเลย
300
3. How many tens do we have?
40
4. And how many ones do we have?
0
0? No, we don't have 0 today. Let's have a look.
2
2. Very good, Leo. So we have the same number here. This is the hundreds. This is the tens. And this is our last number is the unit. Now, I'm going to get you to do some writing in your notebook, in your Samut notebook. You need to write these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, under, in your notebook, under hundreds, tens, and units. So you need to write in your notebook the first line. Write these numbers. Or the first line you can put today's date, and today's date is the 5th. 5th 5/8/2021. Then you write write these numbers. And the third line, we write hundreds, tens, and
จะ
units.
รอ
And then you start to write these numbers under the hundreds,
ให้
tens,
เลข
and
หนึ่ง
units.
อันยู
So this work is the same as what you're seeing on page number 4. These numbers are, Teacher Paul has made these numbers up, so you won't find them in your book. You have to copy them, write them down in your book or samut.
โลกมัน
You have to write them down. You have to write them down from the screen.
อืม
To write them down the same as Kian samut. So write them in your book.
เขียนว่าอะไรทีเชอร์บอกว่าเขียนว่าอะไรใช่เขียนว่าอะไร
Nong Leo, can you see the numbers? Leo, can you see the numbers? If you can see the numbers, if you've written the first number down, which is 231, hold your notebook up to the camera. Hold your notebook up. Samut, hold it up so I can see your notebook. Your first number is 231. Show me where you've written the number in your notebook. Pukwan, have you got your notebook? Pukwan, have you got your samut notebook?
เขียนว่าอะไร
Okay. Nong Leo, have you done the verse number 231? Okay, so underneath here, under the hundreds, we have a 2. Under the tens, we have a 3. Under the units or ones, I think your book says ones, we have 1. This is the same as this top number. So 2, 3, 1. Hundreds. Tens. And ones. So we have 231. Our next number is 1, 2, 3. And I'll turn on. Okay, so you can now, somebody can now write under hundreds, tens, and ones. I've now turned on so you can use your pen to write the number under hundreds, tens, and ones. Nong Ori, write the numbers under here. If you're going to 1, okay, our second number, 2 and 3. Very good. And okay, room 3. 3. Our third number was 697. So 697. So let's see who's going to. Nong Jan. Let's look. Okay, so write the 697 under the different headings. Nong Jan, are you still there? Okay. Nong Boss, your turn. Okay, very good. Putting it across on there. The number looking at now 697. Six, 9, 90. So we have 600, 9 tens, and 7 ones. Very good. Our next one is 966. So we'll just get rid of this one. Nine, six, six. So let's see who's going to do this one. Okay, Nong T, room number 2, Nong T. Nong T in room number 2.
ที่ตอบถูกเราไม่ได้เขียน
Nong T, are you still there? Okay, Nong Mina, you want to have a go, please? Nong Mina. Okay, Nong Ya Mai. Nong Ya Mai. Nong Ya Mai. Okay, write your numbers under the hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, we got hundreds, tens, and ones. And the number we're looking at is 966. Good girl. D mark. Very good. So 966. I will give you another number. Okay. Oh, I just lost it. Here's another number I'm going to give you. From the list, it's our last number is 549. 549. Five. 549. 4 and 9. Very good. So they're writing your numbers and under the headings of hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, you want to write, okay. What we can do is if we're, okay, if you start drawing on the board, I turn it all off again. I turn it all off so you can't use it. So if you're going okay, I'll let you use the board. If you start playing up, I turn the board off. From there, we start to count bigger numbers. And the bigger numbers. Okay, I'll talk to you this afternoon about that, okay? This afternoon we have English and we're talking about my surname, my nickname, okay?
Yeah.
Here is a number for you. 916. So 916. 266. 111. So out. Okay, so somebody wants to talk. Let's talk. Let's turn your pen back on. Nong Purapat. Can you do the first number for me, please? Okay, Nong Purapat. Our first number is 916. And somebody write it under the headings, hundreds, tens, ones. Very good, room 3. Okay, very good drawing there. Nong on. Our second number is 266. 266. Can you write the number 266 under the headings, please? Nong on. Okay. So So we have 2, 6, 6, and 1, 1, 1. And our last number is 0, 2, 0. So we have 0, 2, 0. Now what I'll do is I will give you some homework. And your homework I'll put on your school bright by lunchtime today. Just a matter of writing these numbers under the different headings. So we will write the numbers under the different headings, and I said I will give you a list of numbers to do, and then you take a photo of your page on in your notebook and you put it on School Bright. So you'll be able to do that by lunchtime today. But in our class today, we have looked at different values up to 100,000 and buying different things at an electrical shop. The refrigerator was 23,100 baht. The 3D TV was 11,940 baht. The camera was 13,000 baht. And the boy bought a new camera. So today, then we looked at numbers to make up 1,000 and also the place value. So we'll leave it there. And this afternoon, I'll see you for conversational English or English for conversation. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.